let's try it a few other questions to give it. What is Python? Okay, so it has given us the response, so that's pretty nice. Python is a general high-purpose programming language. So look guys how amazing it is. So hey guys, this is Rahul here, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to use Bard API. I'm making this video because I applied for the waitlist of using Bard API. A lot of developers had applied, and I am from those lucky ones who have got the API access. And recently I got this mail, welcome to the Palm API and MakerSuit. The Palm API is actually the API that provides us the features of Google Bard, and with the help of this we can use generative AI features in our local system as well. So if you are a developer looking to develop your own chatbots, your own systems with the help of generative AI, you can use Bard API as one of the options, and it is pretty amazing. I have tried it out. So I am going to try it out in front of you all, and I am going to give you a tutorial about how to use it and who can apply. And I will be also giving you a link on which you can apply for the waitlist as well. And after applying for the waitlist, you will get the mail in few days that okay, if you are eligible to use the Bard API or not. You can see here, thanks for putting your name on the waitlist for access of Palm API and MakerSuit. MakerSuit is, I think, the second some part of the Google that is working on generative AI. So that is it. So let's just click on visit MakerSuit and let's see what they have for us. Okay, so these are the three options that are currently available: text prompt, data prompt, and chat prompt. The text prompt means we can generate text like Chat GPT or Google Bard. We will give it prompt and it will generate the text on the basis of that. We can generate any kind of text with the help of that. And data prompt or some kind of Excel kind of work if you are gonna do that. Or chat prompt, you can develop your chatbot, etc. like with that. Okay, so that's pretty cool stuff. And also it provides API key, and I have already used it, so I have that. Let me show you. Here it is. Get API key. So you can get your API key as well, and I have used few of those. So let's first try out text prompt, how you can use that. We can use it in MakerSuit. Yeah, we can use it in MakerSuit as well, or we can use it in our local system as well. So first let me show you how it works. Then we are going to try it out in our local system. Okay. I will okay. So first of all, let me search. Okay. Explain me machine learning. Let's click on run. Okay, so it has given a pretty long paragraph on what is machine learning. Machine learning is a type of attachment that computers are able to, oh, you can Google that. I was just wanted to show you how it is working and how accurate it is. And you can try out a number of features as well. Suppose you can try out these features: summarize a paragraph, casual pondering, poem writer, or you can do a lot of stuff with this. That depends on your ideas and your use case. Okay, so let's just try out another option. That is data prompt. I am not going in that. If you have suppose some kind of table work, or you have some CSV file or data set that you want to upload and wanted to work on, you can use the data prompt. We are going on this chat prompt. Okay, so write something that a user could type. So here I am like, suppose let's start the conversation. Hi. So it's like a chatbot. How I can help you today? Let's search here. I wanted to learn about what we can learn. Okay, I wanted to learn about how to make you. I am writing in short form. Okay, let's see how it understands NLP as well, how it understands our text. So okay, it is generating the text. So okay guys, it has generated the text. You can see. Sure, here I can help you with that. Choose a topic, do research, write a script, use high quality equipments, promote your videos, etc. So these are some pretty common stuff, but it's pretty cool. Like, I mean, with the help of this, you can create your own chatbot as well for specific purposes and sell that if you want. Yeah. So that is few purpose of that. Okay, so let's try to use the API key. Okay, so it has generated the API key. Let me copy this. So you can, with this way, you can also generate your API key. And now you have to go on this quick links. So it will provide you API documentation, the quick start guide through which you can start. And suppose you want Just take a step. 1 second. You can go on the quick start guide, yeah, not API documentation. Go here and scroll down and go to this text option. So suppose you want to use the chatbot feature of this API. So just click on that and use external tools with chat. So it will tell you how you can use that in Colab, or it will provide you the entire documentation how you can use that. Pip install numpy, and just you have to use, suppose I am gonna run it in Colab. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so we are in Colab now. And one more thing, I have the Colab Pro Plus subscription, so my code might run faster than you. Just keep it in mind. You can use free version, that is available for all of you. Just go on Google, type colab.google.com. Suppose I am running this. Just press shift enter to run these. If you are new, I am telling this. But if I think if you are looking for the generative AI video, then you must not be the new person in this field. So let's try it out. Running this. Just let me put my API key over here. Configure. Look, the model has started, and they have provided a demo problem over here, which you can try out. I have 77 houses, 31 cats or something, and it has provided the context that you are an expert at problem and word solving. And let's try it out, what result it is giving actually. Okay, let's run it. Oh, it is also providing us the steps, like how it has calculated, so that's pretty cool. Here is a single expression compute answer, so it has also provided us that, so that's pretty amazing. So I think you can use it in a pretty decent manner. Suppose I gave it another question. Let's try it a few other questions to give it. What is Python? Okay, let's see what response it gives us. Oh, I forgot to change it. Okay, let's see. No, that's not an issue. Let's see it catches it or not. Okay, so it has given us the response, so that's pretty nice. Python is a general high-purpose programming language. So look guys how amazing it is. You can create your own chatbot with the help of this. There are a lot of opportunities that has opened with the help of this free API by BART, and it is on trial basis, and the Google is offering it to some of the developers only. So alright guys, that was all from my side for you today about how to use Google BART API, how to use it, and there might be the cases that you might not get the API from the maker suite. So there are a few other methods as well, and I will be talking with you about these methods in some other video. So if you found this video knowledgeful and helpful, please like this video and share with your friends, and follow me on socials. I will be catching you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.